Hello everyone. So today welcome you to the next video of our tarot course class and where we are going to learn about the Queen's card. So these are the queens. So as I already told you, these are the court cards. They show the different personality of the persons, and in this queen cards, they are the queens. So the common perspective in these, you can again see they're holding their own suits, right? Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Queen of Cups, Queen of Swords, right? When you look at these cards, these queen are basically 40 plus ladies and they're sitting on a throne. And when you are sitting on throne means they are having their power, they're having their command. Because they have already went through the stage of page, they have already went to the stage of knight, and now they are on the stage of queen. Means now they are having the power of their suit. Right, so here the power increases. Whenever we go from aces to king, the power of every suit is increasing. Right now, these queens are totally matured person. They're totally like according to their suits, they're having more percentage of power. Okay, they're more knowledge. Like if we talk about the Queen of Pentacles, she's having more information how she can manage the money. She can manage her money very well. You can see she can manage, if we talk about the Queen of Wands, she can manage her wand very well, her enthusiasm, her passion. She might have already into his work which is related to her passion. She's too much emotional. If you check about the Queen of Cups, she's too much emotional. You can see on her face as well. And she's too much practical. She's holding his suit, right? So the power increases here. When you look at this Queen of Okay, we start with the first card, which is Queen of Pentacles. When you see this Queen of Pentacles, she's a lady who can be a working lady, and she has a balance between the work and home, both. She can be a working parent as well, right? She is also having materialistic gains, celebration. When we see the like these flowers above, it shows the celebration, and when we see flowers downside, it shows the growth, prosperity. And when she's wearing the red dress, which is showing her materialistic gain, she's on power, she's having the throne, she's having the command over everything. When specifically it's come on the card of the day, it's showing the command. You will be getting the command on everything you does today. There is a rabbit which again shows the fertility. It can be a good card because she's holding the pentacle like a baby, right? So it is a good card for conceiving as well. It is a very positive card for materialistic gains, conceiving, and all these perspective of having the authority, of having the power, right? Over having the concentration, right? She's taking care of everything she's having. All the responsibility she's having, she's taking care of that thing. So this is basically the Queen of Pentacles, which is very beautiful lady. If we come to the Queen of Wands, when you see this card, you see the yellowish. She's having too much. She's right now, whatever work she's doing, she's having the power with that. When you see the lion on her thorn, means she's courageous lady, right? She can handle everything responsibly, with responsibility. But you can see the cat here. What does this cat mean? So the cat, when you look at this cat, so this cat is showing the negative. She is having the courage to handle everything as the lion is showing, but she sometimes gets scared of all the such little negativity around her. Maybe there is some kind of a little negativity around her surroundings which she gets feared of, right? She is also a working lady, and you can also look at her thorn that it is also red in color, and red again shows the passion. Sunflower growth, which is showing the growth. Greenery you can see here. Backside also you can see the yellowish and green energies, which is again showing the growth, right? Prosperity. She's having the command over everything. Whatever she wants, she will get it today, right? Specifically if it's come as a card of the day. So her power is also increasing this way. Now coming to the Queen of Cups, if we check the Queen of Cups, you can see this lady. There are totally jewels out here, right? And you can see the water here. But you can see she's sad. She's looking sad. There are two peoples on her thorn. Which is just two peoples? There can be two people on your head who is like, who is torturing you, or you are not feeling happy with them, right? There could be some kind of a two people. Or she is more worried for her baby because she is also handling this cup like a baby, right? And these on her thorn also you can see there's so many babies, which what is it showing? That she's too much concerned with the babies. She's too much concerned with the her kids, right? And maybe her kids are not well, are not healthy, so it is not that good card for health issues. Okay, but she is wearing the white dress, right, which is showing her purity, but she's not happy with that. She's having everything. Maybe she is good financially, but she is not happy with her health. So it is not good card for the health issues, specifically the Queen of Cups. And there could be a two-person on your head who are torturing you, or on you're not happy with that, because on her face also you can't see some kind of happiness, right? On both her faces you can see the happy faces, but here you can't see that, isn't it? So it's not good card for health issues. It's good card for finances, it's good card for career, business, everything, but not good card for health. Other both are good card in everything. Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Wands are good on all the perspective. Now coming to the Queen of Swords. When you check this Queen of Swords, she's a kind of a lady who likes to have her own authority. Clouds, basically, what does cloud shows? The cloud shows the confusion, and she has already come above the confusion. She know how to take her decisions. She know how to have her own command over everything. She is also sitting on a thorn, and that is again showing his own power. Well, this lady can be someone who is divorced, or she's living alone, or she's having too much control toward his family, because she's too much practical, too much focused, because she is the Queen of Swords. She's queen of air element. She's queen of her mind, right? So she know how to control the emotions very well, and she know how to take the decisions. You can see her hand, her judging, commanding. You can see her way of sitting, which is showing her commanding nature here. So this is the Queen of Swords, who is totally focused and know how to take the decision practically. As Queen of Cups, you can see that she is taking decision emotionally, and she is taking more good decisions practically. So these are the Queen's card. I hope you have understood till yet. Okay, so meeting you in the next video with the King's card. All the best till then. Bye-bye.